How to add DLP Duck Token on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add DLP Duck Token on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, tap on the plus icon. Now click on search bar and search for DLP Duck Token. In order to add DLP Duck Token, just check this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, DLP Duck Token will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna add DLP Duck on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.